Welcome back to Carolina Country Cooking and Barbecue. Tonight I decided that we're going to make beef pot roast. It was a recipe I saw online, and as cold as it is outside, good idea. So, you want to measure out potatoes. You want 2.5 cups of potatoes and 2 cups of beef. So we bought beef tips and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. You boil your potatoes till they're tender, and you cook your beef. Once you've done all that, you want to put a 1/3 cup of water and a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Sorry, y'all, I'm not real good at that word.
Worcestershire
There you
sauce.
go. The chef knows best. And then you're going to take 2 cans of Campbell's Golden Mushroom, creamy golden mushroom soup. And you're going to want to add those. This is going to be the gravy roux that goes in with the beef stew. Nice and chunky. And once you get that in there, you're going to want to stir it all up to get it nice and evenly thinned out. Get that creamy mushroom thinned out to the water. And you can really add anything you want to it, because we were thinking about some mushrooms. And he wanted to put some onions in it, but I guess it's got to be kid friendly just in case the kids want to eat it. So once you get the water mixed in with the cream of golden mushroom and the Worcestershire sauce, you want to take and add your potatoes and your beef. And you get a 10-ounce bag of mixed vegetables. And something I should have done was open the bag, but I didn't. So anyway, you want to add your mixed frozen bag of mixed vegetables. Get it all in. And you want to mix all that together. And do it ever so gently. And it's going to kind of look like a beef stew. And that itself looks really good. And while you're doing all this, you want to go ahead and heat your oven up to 400 degrees because you're going to have to bake it. And you want to get a pie crust, and I got Pillsbury pie crust. You can get a pie crust already frozen and just defile it, but okay, I tend to do things the hard way. And my loving husband went ahead and put the pie crust in a, what was it, babe? 9-inch pie crust? Yeah. 9-inch pie pan. Get that in there. And you want to take and you want to fill the pie shell up with your mixture, which that's an awful lot. And you're going to put your pie crust shell on top. And we'll let him put the pie crust shell on, and then we'll be back to show you what it looks like before we put it in the oven. You want to lay it across the top evenly. And listen to the dogs whine. And then you want to pinch the ends.
We're not going to pinch them. We're just going to take a fork.
Or fork them.
And go all the way around. And then
You're going to cut a few slits in the top to let it steam up.
You gotta cut this off.
So my baby knows more about this stuff than I do. And then you cut a few slits in there to air it out, let it air, I guess. You're going to put it on, we're going to put ours on a pan just because don't want to worry about overflow because it is quite full. So, and there's your pie. You bake it at 400 degrees for 35 minutes or until this is golden brown. And we'll be right back with you once we show what it looks like when it's done.
Alright guys, we got the pie out of the oven. We're going to let it rest for a few minutes and then we're going to do a taste test. We'll be back.
Enough with the resting?
Alright, we're going to get this thing divvied up here.
Let the hubby try it out.
Do a taste test and then me and Miss Jackie going to eat.
Cut into it like a piece of pie.
Yeah, it's not going to come out like a piece of pie.
No. Ooh, look at that nice thing.
You might want to make sure you cut all the way through the crust on the bottom. I guess she's not used to cutting pies.
Alright folks, now you know this is all going to come out all ooh. Let me turn that around there so you can see the inside. Look at that. All that filling in there. I'll get the bottom of that. Which I think I already came out of this. It just keeps filling out and you just get some more. Alright, now the hubby gonna do the taste test. Here's what it looks like. Tell me that don't look good.
We're going to take a thumbnail and then we'll do a taste test. If you like what we're doing here on Carolina Country Cooking and Barbecue, hit that subscribe button, the like on the video, and that bell notification. That way you'll get notified when we upload a new video.